Every video I make on this channel is a video about how you can start making money online, because I've been making money online since 2020 and I want you to start doing the same. I want you to start making money online. All the videos I have published on this channel are practical videos. You can start using any one of them to start making money online. There is no doubt about it. This is a sure way of which you can start making money online. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can start making money online in 2024. I have done this and I'm going to show you my results. I'm going to show you how much I have made online doing this. This is of course how to make money online, and they are very practical. Unless you are not serious, will you not start making money online by seeing this video today? Without wasting much of our time, let us go right into the video. See, the first way I'll be sharing with you is through Amazon KDP. Don't let anybody gaslight you. Amazon KDP is a sure way to make money online. It's the very simplest, the very easiest ways to make money online. If you want to make money online and you are dead serious about it, just try Amazon KDP and you are going to start making money online. What are you going to do on Amazon KDP? It is quite simple. You are going to start publishing books on Amazon KDP. If you are not a writer, if you don't know how to write, you can publish low content books. Low content books are books like coloring books. They are books like journal books. They are books that they have no content inside of them. You can create this book using Canva and you can start making money online. It is very simple. And if you are a writer, you can write a non-fiction book, or you can even write a story, a novel on Amazon KDP, and you can start making money online very easily. For what I'm going to show you how much I made doing this last month. Last month was July. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how much I made from Amazon KDP last month. As you can see on the video, I'll be going to my Chrome right now and I'll be searching Amazon KDP so that you can know that this is not a design something. This is why I'm showing you my result. Okay, so we are going to go into Amazon KDP, as you can see on the screen. All right then, so we are going to go into reports, as you can see on the screen. We are going to go into report and we are going to go into my last month earnings. As you can see, this is a new month in August, so I haven't made any money yet on Amazon KDP in this month. But we are going to go to last month. As you can see, I clicked on royalty estimators. Now we are going to filter this and we are going to go to last month, as you can see, and I'm going to click on apply, as you can see on the screen. Now you can see I made the total of £106 in Amazon KDP, and if you convert this to Naira, as at this rate, as at the moment I'm making this video, a pound is 2,000 Naira equals £1. So I'm going to multiply it times 106. As you can see, Amazon KDP last month earned me 212,000 Naira in my currency. This is a good money for me to enjoy. Alright then, let us go into the second way you can make money online in 2024. Alright, the second way you can make money online in 2024 is through a platform called goodnovel. See, goodnovel is a publishing platform whereby you can write stories and you can make money by writing stories. Alright, if you want to see an extensive video of this, I have made a video about this. As you can see, this is one of the videos. You can just check out this video, how to make quick $250 online as a writer. Yeah, and you can check this video as well. As you can see, I have even made 3 videos about this, and you can check them out. You can just see it on my channel. You can just search goodnovel on my channel and you can see, you will be able to see extensive videos about this, how you can make money online doing this. But in this video, I'll be sharing with you how much I have made from goodnovel in the last month, which is July. So the first thing we have to do is to go to Chrome. Yeah, go to Chrome and we are going to search goodnovel.com. Let me just search goodnovel. so it won't be taking much of a time. As you can see, this is the first link it brings out on Google. Alright, so we are just going to tap on that. Alright, so let's wait for that to load, and we are going to log in. We are just going to log in. Alright. Okay, so we are just going to go to income. As you can see, this month I've already made $6 this month. Yeah, but the essence of this video is to show you how much I made last month. Alright, so as you can see, last month I made the total of $324. As at the time I'm making this video, a dollar is 1,500. So 1,500 times 320, is it 24? Yeah, 324. So this will give me a total of 486,000 naira. This is a good money in my currency. Now let us go to the third way you can make money online as in 2024. The third way we'll be checking out in this video is a platform called PocketFM. So because of personal reasons, I won't be sharing you how much I have made from this platform, but trust me, this is a platform whereby you can make a lot of money. So the platform is PocketFM. Let's search that, PocketFM. This is a platform whereby you can write stories and they'll help you convert it to audio. So it will be an audio series and you can make money by people who are paying to listen to your audio series. Alright, and they also have exclusive bonuses. As you can see, this is the platform, and they also have exclusive bonuses whereby you are going to fulfill some requirements per month and they are going to pay you the incentive. This is even when nobody buys to listen to your audio series. You are going to make extra money. You are going to make incentive money, and if you are lucky enough to get people to listen to your audio series by paying, you are going to make more money. Alright, if you are interested in making money with this platform, I have already made an extensive video about this platform and I'm going to show you to you. All you have to do is come to my channel and come to see this video that says how to earn $12.5 per day on PocketFM. This is a very practical video of how you can make money online with PocketFM, and you are definitely going to make good money online. My friends and I are making money using this platform per month, so you should not get left out as well. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can get more of my videos each time that I upload them, and please like this video so that it can go viral and more people can see this video. As you already know, my name is Sam, and all I do on this channel is talk about different ways you can make money online wherever that you are in the world. Doesn't matter if you are in Nigeria, doesn't matter if you are in Ghana, doesn't matter if you are in the USA, doesn't matter if you are in the UK, doesn't matter the country that you are. I will show you how you can make money online if you want to start making money online. Alright, that with this being said, I will see you in my next video.